Alright, today's the day. The car's getting tuned. My man Tony helped me out real big today. AAA service was, they took a while. I called at 7. It is now, we're now behind schedule, but hopefully when we get there, we'll be alright. Alright, here we go. And we're not driving the daily vehicle here. We're gonna drive the mom-mobile because gas is expensive today. Today is Judgment Day. I have not eaten. I have been waiting for the tow truck driver. I've been up since like 6:40. I've been scared, but we're on our way now. I talked to DK at Garage Life. He's gonna be helping me out with the car today, so hopefully everything goes well. And maybe we will be on our way to 7 Stock this year. I have no idea. I'm hungry, tired, already tired, but car stuff goes a long way, so I'll see you guys at Garage Life. So I have arrived here. Tow truck's over there behind me. And you know you're at the right place when you see a bunch of rotaries. Check it out. Over there. Rotary. My rotary. All right. Cars are dropped. Got the keys. And we're good to go. All right, we're all done. That was the first start after maybe like 10-20 minutes. He's still working on the computer. And there's another car. Turn the key now. Should I floor it? Yeah.
No wonder. I'm like, why is it smoking so much?
Okay. Shouldn't have let go. Almost started. Okay, bad news. Plugs are new, but they're fouled out. I probably shouldn't have let off when it was almost going to start that very first try. So we're going to have to take out the plugs and clean them up.
Plug here and then we'll back up. So.
Okay, sounds good.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Rody, you guys are not with us. I think this relay went bad. DK told me to, or was helping me test it out. The relay up. So we're gonna, so right now fuel's our issue because of that relay. I'll show you guys. You guys remember how it was, but it's right there. I'll show you. It's probably bad, so I'll probably need a new one, and hopefully everything's good. White Claw. My relay was bad. We just direct connected it. Huh?
We gotta go up on the fuel pressure. It's only at 20 right now.
Okay, so what should we do?
You get Allen and turn it
up. Oh, right. So fuel pressure is down. Let's get it turned up. I'm gonna go put the camera down and figure this car out because it's a nightmare. Update. I ran out of gas. Gonna go to the station right now. The car is idling, but we haven't driven it yet. We're still letting the motor, you know, get accustomed to everything, break in and all that. So hopefully everything goes okay. I still have not eaten, and it's like 2 in the afternoon, and I've been at this since like 6, 7 in the morning. So this is fun. Hopefully I can get some driving videos for you guys, but we'll see what happens. Right now, gas station run, maybe a snack, definitely something to drink. Should be good to go. Be right back. All right, update. This is gonna be the last one. I'm going home, and it was a fail today because I had a lot of issues actually pop up. Why do it look so red? Sun's in my face, but so I had a few issues pop up. Car had to go home. We ruled out that it was okay. First problem was the relay; it kept going out. Second problem we ruled out was actually the regulator. We ruled that out. It's still okay to use. That was one of the issues. It was a used one, so we weren't sure if it was still good. The next step I have to do is pull out my fuel pump again because I'm having issues with fuel pressure holding. It keeps dropping, so I'm gonna have to go home and fix that. So sorry for today's video not being as active as I hoped it would be. I didn't film driving at 50 feet because I was just trying to make sure that, you know, trying to get everything done out of the way. I was actually on a really tight schedule because it is Tuesday, and I wanted to make it as productive as possible. And honestly, I'm not too comfortable videotaping people, so, and I don't know how they feel about it. So, hopefully, you know, what I got was enough and it was okay. But on the next one, I'll try my best to do more. So.